Mr. Neil, good morning.
Morning, sir.
I trust you've had a lovely summer.
Yeah?
I thought you might have. Barbecues, 3 burgers, triple scoop, multiple iced creams,
It was hot, sir.
6 rounds of the all-inclusive buffet.
There's loads of protein in sushi.
It's an interesting recovery protocol here with 2,000 steps.
It's just rest day, sir.
And the consequences for your actions, the heaviest scale weight in years.
For God's sake.
Jimmy, do you know what happens now?
Diet?
SHRED7.